Tip number 10 is about using spices in your cooking. This way you can cut out the salt that you might normally add. Spices add great flavour. Cinnamon, cloves, turmeric, nutmeg, cumin. These are all really high in antioxidants, helping to protect our bodies from that ageing process I talked about in one of the other lessons. If you need to use salt because a recipe requires it for a particular reason, choose iodised salt. We know in some countries around the world, particularly mountainous countries, people in those areas can be a little short on iodine. It's being washed out of the soil, and so it's not naturally in the diet. That's why we'd like to suggest you choosing iodised salt to keep in your pantry.